Yo, what's up, gamers? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 pre-built gaming PCs of 2025. We've got ultra-powerful desktops, insane specs, and even a laptop that's basically a mobile gaming rig on steroids. Stick around till the end because you'll want to know which one fits your setup perfectly. And yeah, check the description for all the links to snag these beasts yourself. Kicking things off with the Alienware Aurora R16, this thing is an absolute monster. We're talking Intel Core i9-1 3900F paired with 32GB DDR5 RAM plus 1TB SSD plus 1TB HDD for storage. That means your games load instantly, and you've got plenty of space for everything else. The real showstopper is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, 012GB GDDR6X, ray tracing, 4K, ultra settings, handled. It comes with Windows 11 Home, and Alienware throws in 1-year premium support, so you're covered if anything goes wrong. This rig is perfect if you just want plug-and-play raw power without the hassle of building your own. Check the description if you want to grab one of these bad boys. Next up, we've got the HP OMEN 45L, and trust me, it's a serious looker. Rocking the Intel Core Ultra 7 265K, 32GB RAM, and a massive 2TB SSD, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. This desktop isn't messing around. It's got a tempered glass case that shows off all your RGB goodies, plus Microsoft Copilot integration if you're into productivity while gaming. Windows 11 Pro keeps everything running smooth, and honestly, this is the kind of machine that handles anything. From streaming to 4K gaming like a champ. Don't miss the link in the description if you want to snatch it up. For those who want a little RGB flair with insane performance, the Corsair Vengeance IRS7600 is calling your name. This one comes with a liquid-cooled Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF CPU, a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super GPU, and 32GB Vengeance RGB DDR5 memory. The 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD makes your load times practically instant, and the liquid cooling keeps everything frosty even during marathon gaming sessions. Plus, the RGB lighting, pure gamer aesthetic. It's perfect for those who want performance and style in one package. Links in the description if you want to see it for yourself. Now, if raw power and multitasking is what you're after, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5 i Gen 8 is insane. It packs a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900K with 64GB DDR5 RAM plus a 4TB NVMe SSD. You're basically unstoppable in multitasking or running the latest OMEN titles at max settings. The graphics are handled by GeForce RTX 4070 GDDR6X, meaning 4K, high FPS, and ray tracing are all smooth as butter. Windows 11 Pro keeps everything silky smooth, and the cooling system ensures your rig stays stable even when you're gaming hard. Check the description if you want to make this powerhouse yours. Finally, let's talk about portable beasts. The Alienware 18 Area 51 is a laptop that doesn't compromise. With NVIDIA RTX 5080 GDDR7, Intel Ultra 9275HX 24-core CPU, and 64GB DDR5 RAM, this thing runs like a desktop on steroids. The 18-inch QHD plus 300Hz display is perfect for competitive gaming, giving you buttery smooth visuals and insane refresh rates. It also comes with a 1TB SSD, backlit keyboard, Windows 11 Pro, and Office Lifetime license, making it a full-on gaming and productivity beast on the go. Links in the description if you want to grab one for your mobile gaming setup. And that's it, folks. Those are the top 5 pre-built gaming PCs of 2025, from ultra-powerful desktops to a laptop that can literally replace your desktop setup. Whether you're into streaming, hardcore gaming, or just want something that runs everything like a beast, these rigs got you covered. Check the description for links to grab your favorite before they sell out, and let me know in the comments which one you'd pick for your setup.